The atheism thing, logic. Ever thought how the atheists go about rationalizing their faith in their false god, evolution? The fallacy in their logic is glaringly obvious to anyone who will take just a few seconds to objectively assess it. This is how it goes. If A, whatever A might be postulated to be, then possibly B. They offer no proof of this because at this stage they're saying we're just postulating these concepts. Eventually, however, still without any proof for the above purely hypothetical statement, the narrative quietly changes to because A, then highly probable B. You would have noticed how the shift happened from if to because without a shred of any evidence to substantiate their hypothesis. In summary, this is how the false argument, the false logic tracks. If A, then potentially B. And quietly over time, this changes to because A, then potentially B. No proof of A. A suddenly has just become a fact. So A being established in this by this logic, they then turn to if B, then C, which then over time suddenly changes from if B to because B. No evidence to substantiate either A or B. If C, then D, still no evidence to substantiate anything. And the if C suddenly becomes because C, no evidence for A or B or C. And so it goes on. When these unsubstantiated claims are challenged by people with brains and proven to be wrong, they simply slap a few more million and sometimes even billions of years into their equations to blindly explain away the obvious discrepancies in their logic and their faith. This is how they manage to explain how slime can turn into a man. Slime suddenly knows how to morph itself into the shape of a man, take on the features of a man, and then speaks like a man. But slime, being slime, can never know love, can never have a conscience. Slime will always be slime. Talk about blind faith. That's it. Atheism is an absolute travesty of logic, of truth, of just common sense. You may also be interested in my video on the atheists called The Atheism Thing Maths. And for those wanting more scientific type of arguments, Stephen C. Meyer has written many books and produced videos, quite incredible evidence to show that atheism, that evolution cannot exist. And the creationworldview.org is a website. One of its contributors is a Dr. Grady McMurtry, and he started out as an atheist, and he actually taught atheism. Wanted to prove that God does not exist, and eventually ended up saying that atheism is a fairy tale for adults. Thank you. If you're interested in other similar types of videos on my YouTube channel, for those who are not familiar with how to find a channel on YouTube, just quickly, one searches the Google search bar, type in youtube.com, which will then take you to the YouTube channel. YouTube channel has its own search bar, and then you type in there at the Truth Merchant -M4V. You'll notice it's all small case and no spaces. And this will then take you to a screen that looks like this, some menu bar there. Underneath it, you might find the T for the Truth Merchant, but if you don't find it, you'll have to go to the filters, and the filter is on the right-hand side of the menu bar. And sometimes those filters are just 3 dots. But if you click on that, you'll get a screen with several columns running down. So you find the column that says Type, and you look down, you find Channel. And if you click on Channel, that should then take you to this channel, the Truth Merchant. And that's that. So thank you very much. Comments, as always, are welcomed. And at the moment, if YouTube's not pulled any of the videos, at this moment, the end of September 2025, I've got a total of 11 videos running on my YouTube channel. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.